and there's no lag. You know why there's no lag? Because it's not going through a network. So by the way, this is a temperature sensor, so it senses the temperature inside the room as well. Hello, testing. So you can see it's coming out of the camera, and it's pretty good volume. So if you have a newborn, or better yet, if you have 2 children and you want a baby monitor, then this is something you may want to consider. It was a daunting task trying to pick the right baby monitor. We went through 2, but this is the one we settled on for several reasons. Number one, it's got a split screen, so you can have 2 cameras feeding to one monitor. It's a 5-inch LCD display, and you have a 300-degree pan and a 90-degree tilt on this camera. The range on this is incredible. So we have a big backyard there, and the baby nursery is upstairs. So this has a 1,000-foot range, which is unreal. It's the third feature, very important to me, was the ability to move, to rotate the camera with like a directional puck, and this also does it. So this has a feature where you have the screen off. If there's any audible notification, screen will turn on, and only at that point will you actually see what's happening in the nursery or whatever room that you have this camera in. This is really good because when you're sleeping and you have the baby monitor beside you, you don't want to have this whole thing always on. 2 reasons: it's going to burn through your battery, and then number 2, it's just an eyesore because it's bright and you're trying to sleep. The only drawback for some people may be the fact that this is only 720p. For us, definitely not a drawback, because 720p is still high def res and you can still zoom in on that. Let's look at some of the features outlined on the box. So again, HD 720p resolution, 20-hour long battery life, private secure connection because you cannot stream on the phone on this camera. So basically it goes from camera to the screen. That's it. Instant visual sound alerts, very cool feature that if the camera senses that there is any audio like the baby's crying or breathing loudly, then it would turn this on and you're going to get a notification as well. And then again, long distance transmission, 1,000 feet, 4x zoom. There's a 2-way talk as well, meaning that you can speak through the baby monitor and it comes out into the camera because there's a speaker inside the camera. And again, the 2 split screen if you have 2 cameras. It's a 5-inch LCD display, and again, you have a 300-degree pan and a 90-degree tilt on this camera. 5,000 milliamp battery, and the aspect ratio is 60:9. By the way, this is powered by a 5-volt 2-amp connection, so it's through a USB-C. Nice clean packaging, 30-month warranty. All right, so what's in the package? You got a camera, a baby monitor, an AC adapter for the camera, USB charger and charging cable for your monitor. You got a wall-mounted screw, the user manual, and a quick start. All right, so there's not much to this camera. It's a very simple plug and play because again, you're not pairing to any Wi-Fi connections except for its own camera. Pretty small, looks like an egg. This is for the transmission. So you get the extra range. By the way, this is a temperature sensor, so it senses the temperature inside the room as well. There's a button on the back, it's called pair. On the opposite side is a micro USB, so this is how you maintain this connection, this power. There's your speaker, and on the back you have a little mount so you can hang this on a screw. And now let's take a look at the monitor. So please keep the monitor and camera at least 1.5 meters, 5 feet apart to avoid microphone feedback. Charging cube, USB-C, charge it right there. But you can charge this off of any USB power bank, of course. There is a stand here, so that's very convenient, right? For the side. Over here is your volume control, plus or minus. This is your power and wake function. This is your antenna to get that extra range. And then you've got your rotational puck that controls the tilt of the camera. This is your menu. This is your zoom button. This is your 2-way talk. Over here are LEDs. One is for audio. One is for power, and then I think that's it for this. And of course, you got some mounting hardware, which is basically just screws, and then another charging cube with a micro USB right here. This is all connected, and this plugs into here. So that is the unboxing of the 5-inch DREO. All right, so now we're gonna connect this to our monitor. It does take 7 hours for this to charge, just so you know. And you can see that it is charging. Let's take this off, and let's turn this on. All right, and it's instant. You see that? And there's no lag. You know why there's no lag? Because it's not going through a network. It's actually just connecting straight into this. So right over here in the corner, you can see 1, as in camera 1, your connection. And then this is the temperature inside this room. Right here, you can see that I'm speaking, so this is the audio level. Now, if we wanted to move this, we use this. and then that is going to turn, and I'm actually hearing myself speaking out of the camera. So we're gonna mute this because we're obviously getting feedback. All right, so that's muted. So let's see how much we can rotate this. .300 degrees. Wow, that is something. That is really good. Wow, all the way on the backsplash. Alright, so that was very good. In case you're wondering, you can do this manually as well, and then we'll go up for the tilt. And the baby is, there's your zoom. Forward. The resolution is pretty good. Alright. There is a spot for an SD card as well. Right here. Just trying to figure out where it is. So the mic for the camera is over here, and then there's an IR, because so this is infrared as well. It automatically turns on and dim light, so that's also pretty cool. If I can get it to turn on. No. Hello, testing. So you can see it's coming out of the camera, and it's pretty good volume. All right, so that is the video. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you'd like to see the footage from this and anything else, feel free to watch my other video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.